for the whole day. You're not looking for me. You're not messaging me. You don't love me anymore? Good morning, guys. So, ayun nga, nanaginip ako kagabi. Kaya lang, yung panaginip ko putol. Hindi ako nakakuha ng sagot.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Dahil dyan, tatanungin natin si Afam. Wait lang, kwento ko sa kanya yung panaginip ko.
Oh
Saglit.
shit! Here we go again.
Balik ako. Love,
Oh,
I have story.
what's that?
I have a dream last night. I will tell you story, okay?
Tell me.
We are in the in one house. You are inside of the room. And then I'm outside of the room.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
And then, for the whole day, you're not looking for me.
Huh?
You're not messaging me. You don't love me anymore?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Why you're like that?
What's that? This is your dream only.
Kaya nga, in my dream, for the whole day daw, you're not looking for me. You're not even messaging me.
I cannot control that. It's your dream.
Why you're like that nga? Why you're like that nga in my dream?
Hello? Why? In reality, I'm not looking for you.
And also, I'm already angry in my dream. And you don't care. Like dead ma, like that. I'm already angry, like, why you're not messaging me? Why you're not looking for me for the whole day? And then for you, you're just like this only. It seems like you don't care. I'm angry already.
It's your dream.
Why you're not saying sorry in my dream? Why you're not saying lambing-lambing to me in my dream?
How come? It's your dream, no?
Why you're like that nga in my dream?
I'm not like that in the reality.
But in my dream, why you are like that? Tell me, you don't love me anymore?
Why?
Why you are like that in my dream?
I cannot control that. It's your dream only.
Say sorry to me!
Okay, sorry. Sorry, Okay, go sleep now. And in your dream, I will say sorry. Okay?
Yan, ganyan. You don't love me anymore.
Of course, syempre, I love you.
Why in my dream, you are, not looking for me?
Okay, sorry.
Say sorry!
Okay, sorry.
I'm so sorry.